Tashi tele shuchutam che tene Yungdrung Bön ki Tembitsukye Gyaltsen Yongdzin Tenzin Namdak Rinpoche cho ani konglo Gyaltsen tene pekho yore kutse hachang yabu tenre darong tene kutse yun tenju Lodoe Pema tang ne kuzu dewo yongya ke mendon chenpo ye kuba rangnin rai ne pembong ni chala tepa mewa chenpo yonggangi tenre chaji intu ten harang payu de son ro de khatu yin nang Yongdzin Rinpoche kundin sarre re char ke ye kong li tene ta kya longjin ramjang lu zedun la so wa tang tene tsokwa chenpo chö bu kor Chaleng gi tsudu tsikaya song nang du meji la so nga kaya chi gi chende shuwa yin sakpar du naning pawa shingun chige ka ka mi mangbo yin zon ka wang song song je kong inji la thwa mi du tene kong lo de thombo yin na ya chen pe mi se se wo re sakpar du ta jagar pa menji ki tensa re pa yu pawa shingun re pe ka ri jong re Tenpa Yungdrung Bön ki tene chelu la Sangye majapi Khyimsar tene ngawa kurtu ker kawa tingni chepe tenre ki dampi kewo chigi yindu ten ngarang su changma ki ten Lama kutse tenya tang Lodoe Pema ki chedu Lama namgi tene sowa tabiya tang 아니 샵지슈에 하장 그 첨보래 된데 청구여 그거랑이 그거네 잡지는 뭐지 구세 대야당 라양 되는 혈잡 면든당체 자시 대래 자면슈
Tashi Gelek and long life His Eminence Yongdzin Namdak Rinpoche. And many congratulations for 100 years birthday. And I, Chogyal Rinpoche, request His Eminence to live long for all the sentient beings. And I request and pray His Eminence continue turning the Dharma wheel and continue liberating all the sentient beings. And I wish His Eminence to be healthy and spread the Dharma to 10 directions all over the world, all over the realm, 6 realm, to liberate countless sentient beings. Thank you, His Eminence, Tenzin, Namdak Rinpoche. Thank you.
Delay all of you. I am Nyima Wangyal. Today I am speaking about one of the very special, my personal experience with our great master Yongdzin Rinpoche. That is one of the great moments during the Rinpoche's Dzogchen teaching. And suddenly, spontaneously, I realized direct and fully naked Rigpa, non-duality with great emptiness. That is the cut. All the doubt of Dzogchen view. Dzogchen view is present all the time together with me. That wise, my root master Yongdzin Rinpoche connect me to Dzogchen path. That is, continue. I practice daily. Tinjatsavi Lama la soate, Jalu poching on the chenupi to Wanchilang Yapa, Zagdo so. Thank you.
Shakya tambi tsukjen, jabje Yongdzin Rinpoche, Tenzin Namdak cho, dalam gongdang jala pepi kun chongkar ganza gola Tashi tele shu. Ta Yongdzin Rinpoche lanso na durab nishibi na de nga zobo gangjing gajong la namsa tangho jirwa tabi dunjir chenpo zishong re. Ta deyi kapsi samjin de sipa songwa zamda mazit. Po gangjing shudang rikshong jedang. Lakbar dayang da Yungdrung Bön ji Barom Rinpoche Nyimpa sur jedang manyam kongper nangshok soji korla da gongari jatratama chadisate nzapa ngontsar chan samji machiba mangu na yoba dedak tamchila jisi yurang shiwa dang chapjikda da mawang bala yinayang ani gongbo ganyi dun hingmi dambadang zhuwa Bangun la gongde kuzi karwa jamsu warde dambadang zantin shoji tajikanda chapi sondebdang Monlam zhuwa yin Tashi tele.
I personally met Yongdzin Tenzin Namdak Rinpoche in 1968 at Khenpo Foundation in India. Since meeting him, my life has been impacted in many ways. I regard Yongdzin Rinpoche as a pioneer in reviving Yungdrung Bön teaching in India, Nepal, Tibet, and many other parts of the world. We Pempos owe him an immense gratitude for his unwavering dedication in reviving the sacred teachings of Yungdrung Bön, which was in a state of decline. In my little way, I am contributing for the flourishment of Yungdrung Bön and its spiritual tradition. With Yongdzin Rinpoche's Tukje, we Pempos around the world will be able to keep his legacy running like an infinite river. Sunday, Emma Ho, Lapson Tembe, Danin Roen Gwen, Gwenken Niwan, Namro Gonze Zo, Dodengaki Nelu Zobache, Temban Zenjon, Tinlet Nambarta, Yongdzin Mawa Wampur So and Happy birthday, Yongdzin Rinpoche. Happy birthday, and Tashi Dele.
Yeah, as for me, Yongdzin Rinpoche, he's everything. And when we talk about the human air, I have the very special connection with Rinpoche, So I have the great opportunity, so many years to stay with him. So that is really fortunate. I always feel I'm the luckiest person in the planet because to be very closer with Rinpoche, and there's so many years opportunity to be with him. So that is very fortunate. So humiliator, I can share for everything, whatever I have the insight and good things, whatever I have to share with him, and celebrating and laughing and smile, and the bad things, whatever I have the problems inside, emotional problems and the physical problems and work problems, I can share with him, and I cry in through him, and I have the very deep connection with the Rinpoche in a special way, and in a part of spiritual way, and he is also for everything, and he is the source of my refuge and my transmission, initiation, instruction, and my realization, my compassion, my bodhicitta, whatsoever I have accomplished small in part of the spiritual or enlightened knowledge. Everything comes from the Rinpoche, and I truly feels him and as living Buddha. So special, we make the documentary life story of the Rinpoche, and we started it 2013, and this year is completed. It's no planning. We are not planning. We making when the Rinpoche will be 100 years old, we are completed documentary. It's not a way. It comes spontaneously. We started 2013, produced by the Khenchen Tema Yungdrung Bön from Kathmandu and Tibetan and Georgina Taran and EFD International. So they're producer and their support, and I have the great opportunity and to making, actual documentary live story of the Rinpoche, live story of the Rinpoche. I'm really fortunate. He gave me permission, allowing to make documentary, and supported by our sangles, our crew members, and the editors, everybody, all the musicians, and he completed the documentary. And Rinpoche will be 100 years old, and then during the celebration of the 100th birthday, and we want to share this documentary and a project, and that comes spontaneously. It's not planned, and we the Rinpoche will be 100 years old, and with that time we showing that we didn't thought of the beginning. It comes naturally. It's called auspicious and great. So I'm so happy, so excited to say that share this documentary during the birthday. As for the Rinpoche, that he's the lineage holder of the Yungdrung Bön tradition, and there's the Sutra under the Dzogchen lineage holder. So Bön is root of the tradition and the culture of the Tibetan and the Sangye. As the lineage holder, it's very rare, recorded and historically, to reach 100 years. So Rinpoche will be 100 years and reaching. And during the celebration, and we planning to show this documentary. For me, it's a very excitement, and I'm very excited, looking forward to it. And at the moment, I'm really happy, and happy Gelek,
Tang around the scene, Rinpoche. Tombo Jadi Tela Köni Chiton Gabja Geshe Chaksalon Jari Tedi Teleta Navi Yungdrung Bön in a teco Jeko Simche Dawo. That's so long Dawo called Simche only remember again the Lusa Shiho Rema Kon Shitumita Tarache Mandao Merandon do Vegete Rinpoche Dangal Tin Joason Tarache Pumbogi now sometimes you take Koduchi again Kadiki Tini Nipati Javasun Doti Rinpoche Tujikati de Nga Sangye Teni Tiluye Teni that Rinpoche can see two parts and in any roll in a take of Timo Maipa Sagi Koro Naka engine Cheshapung, which is all to Chong. Then that in it, Rinpoche in a Tene Karisena Danga taking Nyimpa take Simche Tsumala, Rinpoche get pain timidity, another Rinpoche Nyungdrung Tela Hakos on Tene Judi Tsumage Koran Shate, take a lot of Sumage, Tata Nyimpa town. Tene Khenpo Tenbagi Yoga Tsado Chene, Tene Dr. Tapchadachi, Rinpoche Kone Kusugi, Rinpoche Tusan Pearl Panti Sunditila, Tegi Nyima Danga Tegi, Tene Da Nando Tara Rinpoche Kasiwa Travi, Gono Jal Jijo Totingani Nile. Tene Tara Khenpo Kone Tong, Tene Shatana Batsanji Kudi Tong, Rinpoche Kone Kusugi, Nando Taral. Yoba te pe Tsanab Chenpo Tong Tsuma la te Turugi Ngando la Danga teki Nyima Tsuma la Turi Tenzin Pembo Tsuma la Nyima te Tenzin Sangye Jengo Kama Sayin Ho na Tsuma la Nyima Turi Tenzin Sangye Tene Rong ke pe ko Tuma Ngonjo ki ko Matsuma ki Tondo ya tere
Tashi dele tene nga Geshe Yungdrung Bön yin tene jaji Yongdzin Rinpoche thomar selo chitong ko jashi chado lola phola thomar chagyo chompi ke kapsa jante chombar re nga thoma thedun jawar re kap thedu tene ta nganzu longpa gni tong daw ta hachong ga thap chobo do chulo dong the sog thone tene tar chi go no go wala kaya me dinghe gni tong chire lama traha ina shira me dinghe labat ge hon to sope mesi nyong re sa ma to tene thonje me dinghe to so tuni jere tikap thedu tuni je ge tola te jaji Yongdzin Rinpoche phana phani tene yo longpa the ge na lo la che tang ka bang hamo ge gamba da che yosa ge jisha to so ge na lo la tsoma la phak so la dinde shu to so la lama traha tanje ti ge mongbo che ta ra zon no ya da to so ge ni so che ondu lomba te che rangi ge ta ngam me denge to tsoma yoba ya cha yondu ane lomba de kapo ta ji cha ne pe mesipi chonon ro de mesi matanje tsoma mo ga so chembo chongware ka te du rombo chi phaba tel tene tene che matanje ge chonon la ta je bombo se ya te mai za da za to kran za je ge ngol mani pa Tusan Gandhan Chechu Chansan da Labadan Dawa Gan Dog De Zuba Chimbo Nga Ta de Lasupi Kanji Tumo Mahimba Che Yungu Yodewa Ta Tendegi Chono Chimbo Chong Yore Tendegi Chel Tene Nga Tawi Ina Ta Rumuchi Ki Tachi Ngoni Kason Token Zepan Trele Yirong Showa Ta Samban Rochi Shotze Shone Te Rumuchi Ka Pona Jiji Jele Magile Yuse Granle Ina Jiji Jele Ya Pasal Yandro Mandro Tunde Chego Ya Ta Ane Tini Tsutsula Gyaltsen person de Rani Jiji Jala Lani Tenichi Payu Rombala de Matabata Tenichi Tebata Mendu Isam Rat Showan Ro Tenichi Chomba Chesa Tin de Teninga Chapchola Yon Ani Toma Jash Jadulo Payo Dansa Tatin of Whatsoever Capti doing up and Jante Chomba Tel Tening and Shison Jayer to Soge Tamalaya Ramuchi to San Chinian or Konokonsa Dawajak no Tijil Ramuchi Pa Jal Pandon Tenisha no shown Lojo Chegoya Kalak no Jizong Pagil de Tenemuchi Pa Pebri and the Tenoji Tachi Tanda Padala Mlo Tassanji Sodo Sodu Sagaran Lata Ramuchi and Tankolko needed Soso ina Cesana Kaji on Tong Jin Radio Samban Roji Sambalaya Papa the Kodiwan Roji Tenijere. Temadu be touching Igi Rangi Chundu Chopata Chai Yabina. Tene Rangi Ta Kawala Yame Hamugo at Chon Son Yosomana, May Laul, Chintayo, Hamugo Tabiginiton, Jobat Taxab Change Yoba Hindu, the Sol Ten of the Rambuchi Tobigi, Kadile Teni, Rangi Matseli, and Tse Ran Sonata, and the Tele Yote, the Tan Yobache, the Tusan Ganda Chesangi, Masekaji Yobache, the Rambuchi, Tuji Chawuni, Tunayo Katam, Purchase, and up at the need of Nichire. Jeza Tin, the thing I told on the touching on it on again. Jikten de la Ngachewa Lomba, the Sanam Chimboji, Sayachi, Rajigi, Tandapadilla Tenichin, Ramochigi, Ian Tankola, Tenema, Nitse Nidiva Matun Sandra Janichi, Papa Luna, Luigi Ovacheda, Mal Tavla Tiche Mayo, then get Tenichi Inayon, that is Ognito Koyonla, Besama Jevichin, Ramochigi, and Tankolini de Watenichi, or Tenichi, any time on which Samandu, and Kamani, Landu, the Kamasandra, Chasha, and Tashi dele.